Does your company need scale service and repair? You have found the best at American Scale and Equipment Company. Since 1975, we have helped hundreds of companies and monitored the condition of their equipment. That gives us a lot of satisfied customers. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Scale service and repair with a team of 12 state-licensed dedicated factory-trained technicians with a combined 300 plus years of scale service and repair experience. We can fix any scale, any brand, anytime, anywhere. American Scale and Equipment Company is an ISO/IEC 17025 accredited scale and balance calibration facility. As certified members of ISNet World, Gatefeed, and Avetta, they can perform your scale service and repairs and help with ISO calibration and safety requirements. With 2 heavy capacity test trucks and a fleet of service vans, we have the ability to deliver weights for your scale repair service, calibration, or load test needs. For more information on scale service and repair, visit amscale.com or call 800-225-2623.